I used to tell lies, but I would never lie to you. Hey YouTube, it's Shay Moolah, and I'm back with another video. And today, that's our BJTV, but today, guys, we're going to the beach. Ain't that right, Mama?
The beach?
Yes.
Hooray!
You're my little secret, and that's how we should keep it. We should never let it go. Just you know, and I know. Yeah.
So yeah, y'all, we're going to the beach, and as y'all can tell, I'm on my phone because one, I forgot my camera. Two, and I did not go get another SIM card. I know y'all miss me because I ain't posted in about almost a month. Yeah. I be bored. I don't be doing nothing to be posting, nothing to be recording, nothing. I don't do nothing, and you know what I'm saying? But yeah. So right now I'm picking up my cousin, and then we're gonna go to the beach, and we're gonna turn up. So yeah, y'all like, comment, and subscribe on my video, and make sure y'all turn on y'all post notification bell because yeah, y'all need to watch my video. Yeah, don't play with me, Yeah, that part. So yeah, love you guys. Yo. Yeah.
I don't know what boss if your talk different.
Like, what's up?
Every time I turn around, they say I miss it.
Look, my
I
skin.
don't know how niggas die. Niggas keep.
Why you 2 years old, my skin?
I'm still rapping up them cheeks.
We at the beach, but we literally look for a parking spot for 45 minutes. I'm not exaggerating. 45 minutes, literally. Everybody ready to get wet. Look at Anna. She been crying the whole time for no reason. It's ridiculous and it's annoying. So yeah, guys. Oh, this is crazy. Look at all these people. Like, where we at, Miami? We in Miami. We in Miami. Recording. Bro, the Indian people doing their thing for their culture. I don't know what that is. Got Journey. Anna the crybaby. I gotta pick her up because she wanna freaking keep crying. Aggravate. Ooh, Okay then. All right, get down now. So y'all, we at the beach, and there go Jordan and Grump. They already done went out there. Anna aggravating. Look at her. She don't even want to go do nothing. She just said that. How about we go catch some waves, guys? You getting in the water? Go, okay then. Journey got the Nana, show them your bathing suit. Girl, go with Journey. Journey finna have fun. Go play. Go. Hi guys. So hey y'all. I'm eating Doritos. We're eating Doritos. Anna's eating Doritos with her crying self. Let me back it up some so you can see everybody. So yeah, and I'm
low battery.
I got some honey ham, some mayonnaise, and some mustard. And so I can make me a sandwich. And I'm gonna make me a sandwich. So open it. I like a lot of mayonnaise. Oh shoot, I'm gonna drop it. I don't want no sandy sandwich. No sandwich. You no pun intended. Like a little. Okay, I'm putting it on both sides. Y'all, this is butter bread. I had to make sure I was recording because last time I was talking to y'all, I wasn't even recording. I was gonna put cheese on it, but I kind of don't want no cheese.
Low
All I
battery.
gotta do is say cheese and Anna gonna start staring at me. She loves cheese. I know. I love mayonnaise. Mustard. Y'all see I put the mayonnaise on here already? Alright, mustard. I don't need mustard on both sides. I put mayo on both sides. And then ham. If I can get open. To open, tear a perforation. Girl, wait. Well, I gotta read directions on how to open ham. Oh.
Low battery.
2 pieces of ham. Oh, that ham got cancer on it. You see that? Lord, please don't let me die from this ham sandwich. Alright, then I'm gonna cut it in half. Okay, guys, about to taste it.
She wants some.
I thought you said she wanted a sandwich.
Yeah, she said she wants some herself.
I can't really see. Hey, guys.
Low battery.
Mongoose. You could not cut your back on me, I cannot forget. Your name was fine, you put it. Fuck my man, we rich. I'm selling drugs, still be
Just laying here. None to turn in the water, so we finna go because we could have sat in the sun at the house. You feel me? Who wants to go to my pool? Not me. But yeah, guys. Y'all, it's just me and Anna. Everybody else in the water. Anna's eating sandy chips. Aren't you? How old are you?
I want. I do.
How old are you?
I do.
Oh, yes, you are. She always say she won first. You got dirt all on your lips. So yeah, guys. Excuse me. I'm finna take me a nap. Whoopsie daisy. It's okay. Oh, y'all. I really don't know how long this video gonna be. Cause how much can you do with this, like, with the beach? The beach is the beach, you know? And if you're not with a group of friends.
I don't know what's been chewing on me, but I know I'm ate up.
Y'all, we finna berry grump. Are you guys ready to watch? Oh, it's sand blowing. All right, y'all. We finna berry grump. Come on, girl. First, we making him a pillow. Ooh. Leg. All right. Oh, leg. Oh, leg. Come on. Oh, lay your head down. Girl. Lay your head down. Lay your head down. Lay your head down. You let him lay this leg. See him, he laying down. Wait, let me scoot the camera up. All right, y'all see him laying down.
stick and move, 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 stick and move. When I get the pounds, I'ma stick and move. Slide through your town, I'ma stick and move.
You see all this? That's why. Keep on him a little bit. Yeah. And it is on 4 o'clock. Long ass feet. All I see is toes. So they got to be grump long ass feet. Oh my God. Y'all, the wind keep the whole time is yours. Look at Anna in the back, y'all. She's scared of grump. We don't know why. Journey was like that by Ree. I don't know why she's scared of Brooke. Brooke keep breathing hard, y'all. He keeps knocking out the sand. Oh my goodness. Y'all, the wind is not cooperating with me right now. Girl, get your Sierra behind on somewhere. Bro! Y'all, let me scoot it over. What's the plan?
That was good, but he keep moving.
We need a little bit of water. Is it going through?
You're making food, right?
No. I'm making a shirt. They bad. Bro, they bad. The sun is, the sun will come out tomorrow. So you better. I'm trying to flatten it out. This bitch is breathing. Look at Grump. He keep cracking it. We try to give him some titties, and he keep cracking the titties. Can y'all tell he's a mermaid? That's a ponytail. So do you guys want to see the big reveal? Do you guys want to see him break out of this? For his titties. I tried to fix him. Yeah, he can't stop breathing. All right, let us see you get out. Yeah. Can you get your feet up? Well, you finna have to dip in the water. Dude. Dude. Hey, Banani. It's sure not here. Look at this. Look at what this say. ILOVE. Come on. Come on now, but y'all, we walking. Journey took up on the chair. I'm hollering, yeah, but y'all, we just walking the beach. Cause I just want to walk, so we walking. So y'all, we eating sandwiches. Jordan ready to go. Grump. Jordan chilling. It look like it's gonna rain, y'all. Look at the sky. So after we done eating, we gonna go ahead and the birds coming, so it's definitely gonna rain. And now I'm back home, but it ended up raining. We was running to the car. I should have vlogged that, but woo! But my phone's on 2%, so I couldn't vlog that. Then I was holding the baby. So, yeah, anyways. But, yeah, y'all. Now, I'm going to just show y'all little snippets of me doing Journey hair because she finna get her hair down. She's going to be getting this style. Well, I'm be trying to do this style. Y'all know I'm trying to teach myself how to braid. You know, because people crafts. Or people charge $300 just to teach you how to braid. Yeah. So, yeah. She in the bathroom now. I just washed her hair. She finna take a shower. And then, woo! Then, okay, I don't know how long I was talking when my phone said that it was about to die. But, after she done, and I'm going to show y'all.
Okay, y'all, I know this video is short, but y'all, I don't know if the beach got me sick or what, because it wasn't cold, but I ended up just getting sick. My nose stuffed, my voice is like leaving. But yeah, I didn't close that video. I sound like a dead horse. That's ridiculous, but make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe on my video. Thank you for watching just this little small clip of this video because it's not much. And yeah. Love you guys. Bye.